In today's fast-paced digital world, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Whether you are an individual trying to build your personal brand or a business aiming to reach a wider audience, having a strong presence on social media is crucial. However, with the ever-increasing number of platforms and the constant need for fresh content, managing your social media can quickly become overwhelming. This is where a well-planned social media content calendar comes into play. Organization and efficiency. One of the primary benefits of using a well-planned social media content calendar is that it helps you stay organized and efficient in your posting strategy. By mapping out your content in advance, you can ensure that you have a consistent flow of posts across different platforms without scrambling for ideas at the last minute. With clear dates and topics outlined in your calendar, you can easily see what needs to be posted when and allocate resources accordingly. This level of organization not only saves time but also allows for better collaboration among team members involved in creating and scheduling content. Consistency builds trust. Consistency is key when it comes to building trust with your audience on social media platforms. By utilizing a content calendar, you can plan ahead and maintain regular posting schedules across various channels. When followers see consistent updates from you, they are more likely to engage with your posts and develop trust in your brand or message. Moreover, regular posting keeps your brand top of mind for potential customers who may be considering making purchasing decisions. Strategic content planning. A well-planned social media content calendar enables strategic planning by aligning your posts with broader marketing objectives or seasonal events relevant to your industry. By having visibility over upcoming holidays or industry-specific events through careful research and analysis, you can tailor your content accordingly to maximize its impact during those periods. This strategic approach allows you to capitalize on trending topics and stay relevant, ultimately driving higher levels of engagement and visibility for your brand. Time optimization. Time is a valuable resource, especially when it comes to managing social media accounts. With multiple platforms to juggle and the need for regular posting, manually scheduling each post can be time-consuming. However, with a well-planned content calendar, you can optimize your time by scheduling posts in advance using various social media management tools. By dedicating a specific block of time to create and schedule content for the upcoming week or month, you free up valuable hours that can be utilized elsewhere in your business or personal life. Performance analysis and improvement. Tracking the performance of your social media efforts is crucial for understanding what works best for your audience and making informed decisions moving forward. A well-planned content calendar allows you to track key metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, or follower growth over time. By analyzing this data regularly, you gain insights into which types of content resonate most with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. This iterative process helps improve the effectiveness of future campaigns while ensuring that you are consistently delivering high-quality content that aligns with the interests of your followers. In conclusion, utilizing a well-planned social media content calendar offers numerous benefits that help individuals and businesses stay ahead of the game in today's digital landscape. From organization and efficiency to building trust through consistency, strategic planning based on events or trends to optimizing time spent on managing social media accounts. These advantages make it clear why having a solid plan in place is essential. Moreover, tracking performance metrics enables continuous improvement by identifying what resonates with your audience most effectively. By leveraging all these benefits together within a comprehensive social media strategy driven by an organized content calendar, success becomes attainable even amidst fierce competition online. So don't wait any longer. Start implementing a well-planned social media content calendar today and reap the rewards of enhanced organization, improved efficiency, and increased engagement. Stay ahead of the game by taking control of your social media presence and watch your brand soar to new heights.